For millions of years, this world was alive. Rivers flowed, forests grew. Life moved forward, unaware. These creatures ruled the earth, not in fear, not in haste, but in balance with the world around them. Then something changed. The air felt different. The ground grew restless. Instinct whispered. Before the sky spoke, from the edge of the heavens, a visitor arrived, carrying the weight of extinction. In a single moment, the earth shattered. Fire replaced sunlight. The ground became a weapon. No strength mattered. No size. No dominance. Only survival. And there was no escape. The world burned. Ash swallowed the sky. What took millions of years to build ended in hours. And then, silence. Not the end of life on Earth, but the end of an age.
The cinematic sequence you just watched was created using Higgsfield Cinema Studio. And honestly, this tool completely changes how AI video creation works. Higsfield can generate ultra-realistic images and videos that look like they were shot using real cinema cameras. Inside the platform, you can choose professional camera and lens setups that are actually used in real film production. What makes this powerful is how simple the workflow is. You can select camera movements, control the look of the shot, and use reference images to maintain character consistency across multiple scenes. This turns AI video generation into a real production process. You don't need to be a cinematographer or a filmmaker to create cinematic videos. Let's jump into Higsfield AI. You can open the website using the link in the description. Higsfield offers everything in one place. From high-quality image generation to production-ready cinematic video, you don't need separate subscriptions for different AI models. You get access to powerful models like Nano Banana Pro, WAN, and more inside a single platform. Now let me show you how the images from the intro were created. I'm opening Nano Banana Pro. The image generation interface is very simple. You just write a prompt. In this example, I used a very short prompt. Only 4 words. You can choose the image model, aspect ratio, and resolution. I selected Nano Banana Pro with 4K resolution. You can generate multiple images at once, but I'm generating a single image here. As you can see, a detailed 4K image is generated almost instantly from a very simple prompt. Now let's turn this image into a cinematic video. From the menu, I open the Cinema Studio tab. This is where Higsfield really stands out. Here you can see all your generated images. You can also generate images directly inside Cinema Studio. The images you're seeing here are the same ones used in the cinematic intro. To create a movie, you simply generate images for each scene. Now I select an image and click Animate. This adds the image as the start frame. You can choose from multiple professional camera movements like Dolby in, Dolby out, drone shots, and more. I then write a simple prompt and generate the video. The result looks incredibly realistic. The texture, lighting, and camera motion feel like real cinema footage. You create each scene one by one and then download the clips. I edited the final sequence using DaVinci Resolve. Now let's look at camera and lens control. This is where Cinema Studio feels like a real filmmaking tool. Just like in real film production, the choice of camera and lens changes the entire look of the shot. Different cameras render colors and lighting in different ways. Higsfield lets you choose real cinema cameras and lenses. The system is trained on real outputs from professional film equipment. One unique advantage is that you can even create camera and lens combinations that are not possible in real life. This gives you creative freedom that traditional filmmaking does not. I selected a camera and lens combination based on the scene, and the result is a true cinematic image. Look at the character consistency. Facial details, expressions, and features remain perfectly consistent. To create another shot, I use this image as a reference. This helps maintain visual continuity across scenes. After creating images, click on Animate to make video of them. Now I use one image as the start frame and another as the end frame. I click Generate and wait. The image is transformed into a smooth cinematic video. This is the power of Cinema Studio. There is also a motion control feature. Motion control allows you to take a completely still image and turn it into realistic movement. This is not just basic animation. The motion actually respects body structure, weight, and balance. I'm selecting a model image here, and instead of writing a long prompt, I'm choosing a motion directly from the motion library. Higsfield provides a wide range of motion presets: walking, dancing, gestures, subtle body movement, and more. You can also upload your own motion clips if you want very specific movement. This gives you full creative control over how your character moves. What's impressive is how well character consistency is maintained during motion. The face, proportions, and details remain stable even while the body is moving. This is usually where most AI tools break, but here the movement feels grounded and natural. With Higgsfield AI, you can create cinematic stories, short films, visual experiments, and even AI-generated influencers, all from a single platform. That's Higgsfield. It's one of the few AI tools that actually feels built for real production, not just quick demos. If this video helped you understand how cinematic AI workflows really work, consider subscribing. I'll be sharing more real tests, honest breakdowns, and creative experiments like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.